Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the review, I've linked this guitar below at a great price. Check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the Yamaha FG800J, an acoustic guitar that Yamaha specifically designed for people just starting out, and it's one of the most popular beginner guitars available right now. The top of this guitar is made from solid spruce wood, which is different from a lot of cheaper beginner guitars that use layered or laminate wood. Solid spruce gives you a brighter, richer, more balanced tone, and importantly, the sound actually improves as the wood ages, so this guitar genuinely gets better the more you play it. The back and sides are made from Nato and Mahogany, which gives the sound a warm, full-bodied quality and makes the guitar quite durable over time. It has a large Dreadnought body shape, which means it has good low-end projection. In simple terms, it sounds full and resonant, not thin or weak, which makes learning and practicing a lot more enjoyable. The strings are Phosphor bronze, which is a quality string type that balances brightness and warmth well, and they're strung with a fixed bridge for reliable tuning stability. The hardware and overall build quality here is genuinely strong for this price point. Yamaha puts each FG through detailed quality control checks and uses hand-applied finishes, so this isn't a throwaway starter guitar, it's built to last for years. The Rosewood Fretboard and nut also make the guitar feel smooth and comfortable to play, which matters a lot when you're just getting started and your fingertips are still adjusting. This particular listing is the acoustic-only version in natural finish. In the full Dreadnought size, an acoustic electric version is also available if you eventually want to plug into an amplifier. Overall, if you're just starting to learn guitar or looking for a reliable, great-sounding beginner instrument without breaking the bank, the Yamaha FG800J is genuinely one of the best choices at this price. I'll leave the link to this guitar in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.